Hey, it's Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Now I'm doing low carb while I'm in maintenance. Thank you for watching. Hello, this is Tuesday evening. I just got to tell y'all so you know we're all on the same page. It's Tuesday evening. I just got back from my work trip about 10 minutes ago. And so I need to get food ready for tomorrow. I've got 2 eggs, a cheese wedge, and my sausage patty. So I'm going to add in, I've got these sauteed veggies. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in. And it's just onions, peppers, and mushrooms. So I'm going to put those in. And let's see, I'll set that over there. Yeah, and so that, along with my sausage patty. Now, hang on. Okay. So let's see. So that's breakfast. Lunch. Let's see what we're looking at. I still got the hicka bean and hicka baked beans. And then this is, I think that's pork. Asian. Whenever I made the Asian pork and rice chicken, I think that's what that is. It's either that or the Alfredo and rice chicken. I can't tell. And this is ground beef. Well, I'm going to take the ground beef because I like to be full whenever I'm at work. So let me look in my refrigerator and see what I'm going to put on this. So just a second. I just said I'm probably going to have Asian tomorrow night for supper. But so we're going to add some Jihu stir fry, just a little bit. My tailbone is tuckered. But it was a good meeting. I learned a lot today. Learned a lot about the future of the program and the future of the website that we use. That's the General So. This is a sweet chili, maybe. So anyway, so it was a very productive day. I enjoyed it. Yeah, sweet chili. And then this one is my pineapple ginger marinade. So yeah, productive day. Like I said, it's a long day. You know, you sit in your car for 4-hour drive and a meeting from 10 to 3, and then we left at 3 and I got home at 7. So 4 hours. So it's definitely a long drive, but for me, in my opinion, it's worth it. You know, because I get to see the future plans for our program. So now let's add in some seasonings to this. I'm going to add in some Greek seasoning because I love Greek seasoning with stuff. I haven't used this seasoning in a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of adobo and some paprika and some freeze-dried, get that, I remembered it, freeze-dried garlic, and then a little bit of everything bagel. We're just throwing everything in, including the kitchen sink at that. So that will be my main thing. Get out a fork here, or a spoon to take with me. Can leave those electrolytes. Salad. Next, we're going to make up our salad here. I got apple and orange also. Got my salad here. I'm taking the little thing off. Boy, that's awfully wet. I think I basically pureed my onions. Man, they were so, I did it too long, so they're definitely more pulverized than chopped. I'm adding in some jicama. And I've got some broccoli slaw here, and I'm going to put it in a container. I don't want it to go bad. So I'm going to do, might have to put this in 2 containers. Hold on, let me see. Hang on. All right, now. All right. Okay. Now, we're going to put some broccoli slaw on here. Put a little of it on there. There we go. Some broccoli slaw. Get my little paper towel on here like you all teach me to do. Turn it upside down. Turn you upside down. And then you upside down. Okay. Now, up some tomatoes. And then some dressing. Listen, I'm not getting all measury tonight. I am tired. My brain's tired. My butt's tired. I don't care tonight. So, you know, it is what it is. It ain't going to be a perfect day tomorrow. I just know I'm putting in food that I know tomorrow Terri will like. And I'm not exactly measuring perfect. So, it'll be just fine. It's fine. It'll be fine. Okay, so now dressing. Yeah. Alright. Probably about right. Now, I got a new lunchbox because I ruined the other one the other day. It was a little bigger than what I anticipated, but it'll work. It's supposed to be waterproof. So we're going to put our salad down in there. Going to put our meat on top of that. Going to put my breakfast in there. Oh, I hope this fits in my refrigerator. An apple, I got an orange, and a spoon. Hopefully this will fit in my refrigerator. I have no promises, but we're going to find out. I always take my mail. If there's something I want to look at, I take my mail. And, does that go on there? Oh, no. Hang on. I think this goes through there. And snaps. Hold on. All right. And you. Same thing. Okay. All right. We're going to see if this fits in my refrigerator. So, okay. Oh, I guess I could take the tag off of it, huh? It just came tonight. Oh, hey, that doesn't even feel it break. All right. So that goes in my refrigerator, and there we go. So that's my lunch for tomorrow and breakfast. It's tall, but it fits in there. So yay, it's gonna fit in my refrigerator. So yay, 2 thumbs up. Bye. Hey, it is breakfast time. I'm still working on my just electrolyte coffee, no protein because we're back home. And I've got my eggs and that I made up. And I went ahead and cut up the sausage and put it in with, you can't see that. I know you're at a weird angle, but it's just how it is. So I'm eating my breakfast. I'll see you at lunchtime. Bye. Hey there, it's lunchtime. And I have our, I think this was Asian flavored, Asian seasoned. I know there was some sesame seeds on the top. And then our salad. I miss the vinegar from my pickles. I definitely like it better with that on there, but it's good. So really quick, my friend who I'm going to the women's ball at church next weekend, she evidently we decorate our table, and so I'm supposed to meet her at Hobby Lobby after work. First, I'm going to go home and feed the dogs, and then I'm going to call her, and then we're going to go to Hobby Lobby, and then for supper, we are going to go to a Mexican restaurant. No, not sure which one, but anyway, so I'll probably have some fajitas with no rice and no beans. That's probably what I'll get. We'll see. We will see. Okay. And you know what I might do? I might grab some of my, I could grab some of my chips that I have and use those to dip in the salsa. We'll see if I do that or not. Okay, it's going to be a little bit before we eat, so I already have my half of a serving of these over here by my purse to take. I'm going to take a few, I'm going to eat a few now and these tomatoes because it's going to be a little bit before we go. And you know me, it's 4:45 and I'm a delicate flower, so I need something. Okay, bye. With no beans and no rice and no tortilla. I already ate one bowl of salsa with my chips, so I'm saving this bowl of salsa. And there's the stuff that I'll put with my fajitas when they get here. And there's the fajitas. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to put all that together and I'm going to eat it because I want it all. All right, so I ate all that and a half a bag of chips. Anyway, so I ate all that. I'm coming home and I'm eating some fruit because I can. What do you think about them apples? So yeah, that's the end of this video. It's 7:15. Dadgum time change. It feels like 8:15. They need to just let us have our one time and be done with it. Do other countries have this? Do you live in another country? Do you have to deal with time change? It's annoying. The dogs have started trying to wake me up at 5 o'clock because they're saying their body tells them it's 6 o'clock and it's time to eat. My brain says, you know, like when I wake up, even I want to wake up because my brain thinks it's 6 o'clock. It's just poopy. Okay, anyway, I'm going to eat this. And I'm going to go in and get my stuff ready for tomorrow. And then I'll work on my uploading my videos and stuff. So, all right. That's what I know. Okay, bye.